told me that I wasn't gonna get far. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. Y'all see that Corvette over there? They're looking real good, real clean. But let's get back to the video. Alright, so we got that package today. Come on with me, get a little close up on me, you know what I'm saying? Don't be camera shy. Y'all can see I just washed this baby up, you know what I'm saying? You see the water on the ground. I still got my work clothes on, you know, the drip to the fullest even at the job, you know what I'm saying? But if you come a little closer over this way, you know what I'm saying? You see it's clean, but I still got these swirl marks and stuff in the car. You know, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see it. But I'm probably gonna take this to Dodge soon enough and get them to, I guess, buff the scratches out or whatever you want to call it, however you do it or whatever. I don't know how much they're gonna charge. Probably do a video about that soon. Show y'all how much it costs to get your car professionally done by the maker of your car. You know what I'm saying? Because they do it the best. They make your cars. But this will be another install video for something new that just came in the mail today. Not UPS, not FedEx this time, but USPS. But right now, I'm gonna review all my installs that I have done. So from all the other videos y'all watch, y'all know I did the shark fin that's over there on top of the car. You know, that nice little white shark fin to match the paint. Yeah. Also, what else have I done? You know, a little amount of decals, you know, to promote my name, promote the YouTube. You know, Mr_Films, make sure y'all subscribe to that. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Now, you see the Challenger RT sticker. Yeah, you won't catch that nowhere else, but you can go to Creative Sign Solutions. Search that on the website, www.creativesignSolutions. You can find them on Facebook or just search the name. They'll come bring you a sticker, whatever design you want, they'll get it done for you. What else I done did? Okay, let's come on over here. As y'all know, I did the video on the fuel cap. It don't come like that unless you got the black top package, if you don't know that. Okay, what else did I do? I put the lug nuts on there when I got my tires changed. Those don't come like that. You know what I'm saying? What else did I do? Something simple. I put the little steering wheel cover on there. Match with the Dodge brand, you know. I put the goddamn seat belt, what you call this? The thing that covered, yeah, seat belt comforter, so it won't be scratching your neck from these little sharp threads they got on here. You know what I'm saying? I wish I had a Dodge one that'd make it even a little better. I might order that. What else I done did? You know, for the videos while I'm riding, if you come look in the car, I put that in there, you know, for instead of holding the car, tongue tied. Instead of holding the phone all the time, I could just set it up there. You know, you see your B-roll, see all the cars as I'm passing by, see the roads, you know, your nice scenery while you're driving. What else I done did? Oh, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, you know what I'm saying? Got your air intake, you know what I'm saying, with that K&N sticker on there. It ain't the K&N air intake. It's the Hellcat. Okay, the Hellcat air box. You see the holes. You can stick your finger up in there and get more air. You know what I'm saying? Don't be playing with my car like that. I'm the only one to stick my fingers in my car. Don't play with me. And I got both holes. Both holes, you know what I'm saying? You can play with both holes. You know what I'm saying? What else I done did? Oh, as you can see, I put that little, you know what I'm saying, that plate on there. Let you know it's a Hemi from a distance. Then since my car didn't come with factory bananas, and I like the bananas, but you won't catch me slipping, I got the bananas on the splitter. Okay. And that just is what it is. If you see me in traffic, you see them bananas on there, you know it's me. You see that sticker on the back, say Mr. Films, you know it's me. You better subscribe. All right, so today, got this in the mail. I already opened it just to see what was in there, make sure they sent me 2 of them things. But these are the Dodge Challenger RT Puddle lights. So when you open your door, well, depending on which ones you order, like I said, I ordered the RTs because this is an RT. So when I open my door, after I install the puddle lights on the bottom underneath this door, it's about right here. You see the light right there? This will be changed out to the RT ones. So when I open my door, at the bottom, it's gonna say RT on the ground. So what I'm gonna do is cut this video and then jump into this install. So I'm gonna be right back. So y'all know I got the toolbox in the trunk. Gotta keep them tools. Take the screwdriver, right? You take the screwdriver, right? So you go down here on the bottom. Go down here, you see this light down here? It's a little rivet in here that you can stick in there. Well, let's see if I'm doing this right. Hold on 1 second before I break something. Don't want to break nothing factory, you know what I'm saying? Can't even use that. I guess I'm gonna have to use the screwdriver. So, go on there. Up. So I done broke it like I did last time. But basically you unlatch it, take the little clip off. Take that clip off right there. So this little clip thing right here will be on the light, and you just basically release it back. Like you pull it back, it wouldn't be broke, but you pull it back and you take your little light off, your factory light, and take one of these. And just clip it right back in there. It's just as simple as that. So, you can't tell right now, but if you look real close, you see the RT on the ground. but y'all can't see it right now. So what I'm gonna do is, well, maybe you can see it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one. I'm gonna cut the video, and then I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like at night. So I actually unclipped this one correctly. As you can see, like I said, it has that clip which holds it in. And basically what you do is push the bottom square in, that square at the bottom right there. Push that in and pull it out. And then you'll be inserting a new light. So what you do is match the light up to the connector and push it right in there. So now that it's getting just a little bit darker, you can see it a little bit better. But you'll be able to see the full vibrant color and lights once nighttime falls. So I'm gonna leave it at that and catch you in the dark. I never get rid of none of the factory stuff, so I'm gonna just put this in the package that the new ones came in. Put it in the package, put it up. Maybe I might sell it. Somebody may want it. If not, I just keep it for when I may get a new car. You never know. So y'all, I'm outside right now. It's dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the results of this install. And voila, there we are. Got the RT put on the ground for when you open the door. So I'm satisfied with that. And that's the end of this video.